This is to keeping your head above water. The year we saw Sandy, I was down in the trimming, calling for a cab to take me to the quarter. Stopped into a park for shelter from the June sun. Sat down with the seashells that never washed away. The Creole queen so sweet, she fed and entertained me, took me up the Mississippi with that southern hospitality. In the jungle of the lower Nile and the shotguns in the garden, you can see the good old New Orleans still longs for a refugee. Like you and me, but that old storm's rolling in again, and not much they would do about it. It comes in harder every time now, and leaves us wondering just why. From New York City to the Jersey Shore, our home's above low water, but our soul's above it all. We can't help but wonder why it's gone this way. Could be just nature, but nature is changing every day. Every day. Now people will talk and talk about where we go from here. Build a house and build it again, build a levee or build a dam, and damn it when it all falls down, 'cause there's nothing that we do withstands. What we reap and what we sow is what we earn and what we owe. Hurricane Sandy, Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Rita, Hurricane Irene, Hurricane history, Hurricane unforeseen, Hurricane climate change,